And in the Flathead Valley, the wind hit very hard. Thousands of people remain in the dark tonight.
Strong winds knocked branches and trees down into power lines, cutting the juice off for long periods of time, several hours in fact. The outages stretched from Libby to Kalispell to Whitefish and all the way east to Glacier National Park. For over an hour, streetlights leading into Whitefish on Highway 93 were out, where police had to direct traffic. At one point, over 100 outages occurred, causing over 13,000 people to lose power. In Whitefish, around 6, downtown got power back, while other residential neighborhoods were still without power. One Whitefish family had the entire top of a tree crash into their backyard and missed their house by about 5 feet.
Of course, we stock up on food, because you never know. So we could lose, a couple $100 worth of food, but that's all replaceable as long as, we're all fine. But we are looking forward to having some power back soon.
You can check Flathead Electric Co-op's website for a map showing the current outages and for the latest